What is up guys, Shots here. Now today I'm doing my first ever session on Rain GG. I played on this website a little bit before, but that was probably 6 to 8 months ago, so I've just got 85 in the balance just to test it out and see if we can win a few cheap battles now. So to start off the video, I'm just going to do a little 15 coin battle 3v3 crazy mode. Then we land a gold on the first hit. Not too bad. I mean, $13 red. Back-to-back pulls here. Alright, we can still win if they hit on the bright lights case, but I don't know what our odds of that are. Maybe a double pull, that would be insane. Oh, the sticker purple is not enough, that is a GG. That was pretty much money back only. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do an all-in here. 9 cases, 71 coin battle, 3v3, normal mode. Hopefully we can get some pulls here. We stick the gold off the first case, let's go. Only $13, but it's still a good start. Nice, our second gold spin of the video. It's this $5 case, so hopefully we can pull the gold out of it. We get a red, well I'm happy with that. $40, that is wild. Alright, last 4 cases here. Budget 10% knife case, do we hit? No, we do not. We still need some pulls here just to get our money back. 5% gems. We all miss on that. Okay, well, I think we get 55 coins back. Not the worst, but yeah, also not that great. Okay, so I've cooked up an all-in here. 4-way 1v1, 56 coin battle, 9 cases. It is on jackpot mode. I'm hoping that the bots can pull and we can snipe the win here. The first 3 cases are like $3 cases, so not really expecting too much out of that. Oh, it does not stick the gold, bro. Okay. The bait is wild. Nothing has been pulled yet. 5% faded case. The bot 15 sticks the gold. Can it pull a knife? I think that's like 30, 40. Okay, 40, nice. Last 2 cases. I've not seen a single gold in any of those spins. last case, $12 case. 28% chance. We needed to land on blue here, and we sniped the victory. 106 coins. Let's go. Okay guys, I've cooked up another all in here. 106 coins, 9 cases, 3-way normal mode. Hopefully we can get some pulls here. I'll call the bots in. We have 3 5% faded case to start off with. Oh, the double would have been amazing, but I'm happy we could stick one at least. Please, can we get a knife on the first case? And we actually do. A Navaja knife. 300 coins. What the fuck? That is already money back off of the first case now. The graveyard. Okay, we've seen our first gold spin, but nowhere even close to landing. Alright, nice. The 5% dream case. Can we see a knife out of this? Looks like only knives in there. 120 coins. Let's go. Damn, they double gold pull here. Let's hope they don't pull anything too crazy. Gold and a red and a purple. We're still up by 200 or so. Last 2 cases, we almost hit the gold spin there. Okay, we're still up by about 200 or so. Last case, can we clutch up? Almost the gold there, but at least we got the victory. Nice, 230 coins off of that battle. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the new video. We've 4x'd our money, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw the earnings, but I'll see you guys in the next video.